If you're currently using Microsoft Edge and experiencing slow downloading speed, then I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this. Now what you want to do, guys, on your computer, just simply click on the Windows icon here and search for Edge. Or if you have it on your desktop, you can just simply open up Edge. So I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge here. And in the search bar here, guys, you want to type in Edge : // Go ahead and hit enter and you'll be taken here to this page here. Now once you're here in the search box here, guys, where you have flags, you want to simply type in parallel, and here you will find it says enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed, and this works for Mac, Windows, Linux, Android, whichever you are using, it will work. And here you just want to click from the default and turn it on enable. Now once you do that, just go ahead and restart your Microsoft Edge. This will relaunch Microsoft Edge for you. And then what you want to do, go ahead and click the three dots in the top right hand side. This will open up the options here, and you want to click on settings. Now once you have the settings open up, guys, on the left hand side you want to go to systems and performance, and then there are a few options at the top. Now where you have continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed, go ahead and turn this off. And where you have use hardware acceleration when enabled, you want to leave that on, and of course you want to have startup boost on. Now guys, once this is done, you can go ahead, close out of your Microsoft Edge, and you want to reload your Microsoft Edge again, and go ahead and try doing your downloads. This should fix the issue, and you should experience a much better download experience when you're downloading anything within Microsoft Edge. Now I really hope you found some value here within this video, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to share your comments in the comment section below. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free, so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.